HeyGen is the ultimate AI platform for creating realistic avatars, cloning voices, and translating videos with perfect lip sync. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can use all these features together to build high quality videos using only their free plan. So let's dive in. First, head to HeyGen.com and create an account if you don't already have one. I'm using my Google account to sign in and continue by answering a few onboarding questions. Now you'll see these pricing, and let's talk what you get with just $0, that is the free plan. You get one video per month and up to 3 minutes of video creation and all these features as well. But keep in mind, you get just one single video, so choose wisely whatever you're trying to create, and that's what I'm here to help you with. So, as soon as you're logged in, you land on this dashboard right here where you can start off by creating any video. This text box right here lets you add in a script, choose an avatar, and create a video. Now, there are a few options to create an avatar. You can either clone yourself, use a photo, or use the avatar builder. So let me give you a brief of what all settings do you need in all three of these avatar builder. Basically, this one asks you to record yourself using your phone camera or your web camera like this over here, and then you can press on the I'm ready and it will give you a script which you'll have to read out, or you can even upload footage of yourself. Second one is using the image, where you can upload any sort of image which you want to turn into an avatar. It can even be AI generated, and it will pick that and create a whole avatar out of it. And lastly, the third one is text to avatar kind of thing, where you have to describe the avatar, filling in all the details like name, age, gender, ethnicity, orientation, pose, etc. So you can use any of these options, or HeyGen already offers you a vast library of public avatars which you can scroll through over here. So you can choose from any of these as well. Like if I click on this, it will give me all the different custom looks of this specific avatar, and I can choose from any of those. So once you have found and chose an avatar as well as the look you're looking for, then you can go ahead, enter in your script that you want the avatar to talk or say. So I've added this script right here which is talking about how AI has changed the fashion, and I'm going to hit this button right here which will start the generation of the video, and later on I'll also show you how you can change the voice. So it has gone into this queue right here. If you click on that, it will open up the AI studio where you can edit and manage your entire video. So this is what the AI studio looks like. On your left, you have the script, which for some reason has not been added, so we are going to add that. We'll start off by creating a scene, and hereafter I'm going to type in the first paragraph, which was this right here, and just like that you can add multiple scenes for multiple paragraphs. So I've added a little transcript over here which is for these two scenes right here, and now you have a lot of settings and options which can be done. So many customization that can be made from this AI studio. Starting off, you have this preview button right here which will show you or give a preview of how the speech would sound like, and this is what it sounds like right now.
Fashion isn't just about the runway anymore. It's about the algorithm. AI is fun.
That's pretty loud and I don't really like the voice, so I can go ahead change that from over here. This is the avatar and voice settings. Here in the voice, you can go on, choose the voice, and click on this button right here which will give you this drop down, choose the all voices option, and here navigate to HeyGen library, and here you can find a lot of voice options. To preview any of them, you just have to click on this preview button which will
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
play the sound, and you can choose any of the voices from over here. There's also a tiny little trick which would result into cloning your voice without having to get the paid subscription. So let's try to do that. What you need to do is click on this record button. Either you can record it separately or record it right on this web itself. Either way, you have to upload a recorded audio of the script that you want to add to the video, and then that would be like a clone of your voice. So let me just record a quick audio of this. All you have to do is click on this button right here, choose your microphone, and record the script. And once you do that, you can also preview this audio right here by clicking on this button right here. So here's what the script Loki sounds like. Fashion isn't about the runway anymore. It's about the algorithm. Hear that? That's just me. Now, if you don't like your voice or you don't want to use your voice, you can even choose this voice mirroring option. All you have to do is turn this on and it will replicate your tone as well as emotions using the voice that you select. But I'm simply going to stick with my voice. I'm going to add this audio and it will generate the transcript for the audio, which is literally the same as the two scenes above this. So I'm going to delete those, and this is what my video looks like right now. Moving on, you have a lot of settings in the AI studio like I said before, and you have different tools like scriptwriter, motion designer, image generator, etc. But these are all the premium features, but you have the basic features like media upload, adding elements to your video, like you can add in shapes, names, subtitles, headings, etc. So we are going to add some caption. By going over here, you'll have some different styles of caption which you can choose from. I'm going to use these right here, and you can fix where you want to see them. I'll put it over here. Also, if you have multi-scene video, you can go to layouts and you can change the layout of your scene. Like if you want the intro to be only graphics, you can choose this layout right here. If you want an explanation with some sort of source in the background, you can use this layout right here, and it is that simple. Also, if you try to preview this video, you can only hear the script and nothing more, because lip syncing will be done once you click on this generate button right here. So let's generate that, and then I can show you another way to generate video which is much faster and really convenient. So let me just generate this. So I've added the title and that's it. I'm going to submit that and it will take you to the projects and you'll have to wait for it to get ready. While that's happening, the other way to generate video I was talking about is this video agent right here. So instead of doing everything on your own, scripting, editing, etc., you can use the video agent. All you have to do is select the style, describe the video idea, choose an avatar if you want, and it will do the rest. Don't trust me? Well, check this out. First off, the avatar. Right now we are using this right now, but if you want you can choose from all these different ones. This has a lot more choices and I'll be using this Elora, and you can browse all the looks that are available for her, and I'm going to choose this one right here. Up next, you can choose the style of the video. So what are these styles? So if you just scroll down, these are different styles. Like you see the captioning, subtitles, visuals, etc. So these are the styles, and check this out. The visuals as well as the graphic, all those will be replicated to match the topic of your video. So I'm going to choose this newspaper style to see a clear distinction between all the different styles. So if you click on this use style, it will be added to your prompt. Now you need to describe the video idea that you want to create. Right now I don't really have an idea, but I want to test out the tool. So what I'll do is use the prompt idea button and it will generate a random prompt to use for my video. Well, this is to create a video explaining SaaS platform onboarding. Okay, I changed it up to fundraising video for non-profit focused on ocean conversation. Next up, you have the generate option. You can use the generate option, or you have another option which is chat. This will let you have more control over the video that you're creating. So I'm going to go with the chat option and you'll see why. So it will take you to a chat, and instead of jumping straight into generating the video, it will lay out a plan instead. And here's what you get: the video plan. Check this out. You have the concept, style, avatar, voice, but also the scene, which include voiceover that will be added to the scene, as well as the visual which will be shown in the video. And it's like almost a 1 minute video. It's actually a minute long video. So if you're happy with the plan, you can go ahead, execute it. But right now I'm running out of credits because I accidentally generated a video in the very beginning which didn't even generate. It ran into some error, but for some reason they are not letting me generate another video. On that note, you get the difference, right? You can either choose the AI studio mode where you have to build everything on your own, make all the customization and changes, or you can use the video agent which creates the video for you. And after this as well, you can take that generated video, put it into AI studio and do some more customization. Just for your reference, this is a video I created using the video agent and a style, and let me show you the preview. This was about a sustainable fashion brand, so check this out.
Welcome to EcoThread. We're crafting a sustainable future, one thread at a time. Fast fashion leaves a lasting scar on our planet.
See that? That's what I'm talking about. It gives you entire template, including visuals as well as custom captioning. Lastly, the only tool left to talk about is the translate tool. This lets you dub voice as well as audio using any file. So check this out. I'm going to drop in a video. So here's the added video. It's basically instruction manual, but it's in Chinese. The audio is in Chinese as well. So I'm going to choose the target language, which is English, and that's it. If you scroll down, you'll find this translate button, and if you click on that, it will generate a translated video for you. The result, well, it looks something like this. It is translated from Chinese to English, and it sounds like
Linked operation means both heads cut at the same time. Press once for left cut. It will only cut on the left side. Press again for the right, and it will.
so. That's basically the whole HeyGen AI platform where you can generate content, cloning yourself, your voice, or even faceless content using public avatar. And not only that, you can even dub your voices into different languages or create videos using templates and stuff. So comment down below which feature did you find the most useful, and I'll see you in the next one.